Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix suspicious login prevented on Twitter known as X. First, let's understand why this happened. Twitter may show suspicious login prevent when it detects someone unusual like logging in from a new device, using a different location, using a VPN or entering the wrong password many times. Now here's how to fix it. First, check your emails. Twitter usually sends a security email to the mail link to your account. Open the email and look for the message from the Twitter. Tap the link that says confirm it was you or secure your account. Next, verify your phone number. If asked, enter the code Twitter sent by the SMS to confirm your identification. Now try logging in again, but make sure you are using the same device, the same internet connection, and the correct password. Important tips: turn off VPN or proxy if you are using one. VPNs often trigger suspicious login alert. If Twitter still blocks you, go to the login page and tap forward password. Reset your password using a strong new one and then try login again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.